Hello people on the video, and today we're going to talk about candy.
Okay, do we start with the bad candy or do we start with the good candy?
Good candy.
Okay, we're not going to start with the candy that we're replacing. So here's what we're doing. It's the day after Halloween. They got a lot of candy. Most of it is crap. And I bought them some candy ahead of time. I need you to calm your body, Joe. I bought them some candy ahead of time, anticipating that they would get some crappy candy. And I am now going to give them that candy after we show you the candy that they got that I liked, was okay, that we're keeping, the candy that I did not like, and what we're replacing it with. And then the candy that I could not find replacements for, but that's okay because I spent $100 on natural candy, and we will give candy to the troops because the troops keep us safe here and overseas, and they protect us.
From the pirates.
Okay.
And many more.
Okay, Joe, let's calm our body. So, I don't know. Do we start with the candy that we're replacing or the candy?
You put cigarettes in the pot.
Okay. Joe, let's not say that. Okay, so I'm wanting you, do you think you could not touch this just for 1 second? Okay, Angel, could you hold that for Mommy? I appreciate it. Thanks so much. So there are a few things that they got that we are keeping that I'm okay with. They got some pretzels and popcorn. Not amazing, but it's better than hard candy full of dye and nasty sugars. Also, Kit Kat. We're not having right now. We're taking a video, remember? Hershey's. They also got a York peppermint patty. Those are nice, soft chocolate. Mounds, I think, has a, this is dark chocolate, which is even better. Has some type of nut in it. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure. And they get to keep 1 Twizzlers each. Twizzlers has dye. And we saw a lot of people handing these out. These are the dye-free. Oh, I'm sorry. No, these are not dye-free. Oh, crap. I gotta take these and we'll replace them with the other gummies that we got. So I know, I thought they were. Okay. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to show you a candy, and then we're going to show you what we're replacing it with. So M&Ms, we've got all the different dyes in them. So I found, thank you, Joe, these. It's Unreal, and they are plant-based dyes, like spirulina, turmeric, beet juice, all that. So they only come in these huge bags, and off of Amazon you have to buy like several bags. So I'm giving the girls each one, and they'll get like 3 a day. So they get to choose 2 different candies, and 3 of these would be 1 choice. Yeah. And okay, let's see. Suckers. So I know we had a couple of different suckers in here. Okay. Thank you for not touching it. It's so helpful. Oh, Joe, you're being so helpful. Okay. So these, I know you've seen also like the Dum Dums. I've seen also like caramel apple suckers, which are like the worst. Caramel's horrible for their teeth. And so I found this package, I believe at Target. And it's kind of Halloween themed. The pops look like this, and that's, bless you, darling, that's what the packaging looks like, kind of Halloweenish. That's what we're aiming for, like a little bit of Halloween looking stuff, because I feel bad taking their candy and replacing it with good stuff, but the girls have had cavities, and we try to stay away from sugar because it's an immune suppressant. Oh, you want me to do the Skittles next? Okay. Okay, so we have a Skittle replacer. So, Skittles, right? They're also incredibly hard. They're full of dye. These are Giggles! Skittles, Giggles, Giggles. Again, it's radish, sweet potato, carrot, blackcurrant, spirulina. These are the dyes in the Giggles. So one for your bucket. Oh, and I'll get you another one, Angel. Okay. So, we already talked about this. Okay, this is another one of my favorites. I picked out just a small Reese's. You're familiar with like the bigger cups. They have these tiny ones. I found organic Reese's. So Reese's has 2 different dyes and a whole mess of sugar. This is less sugar and no dye and organic ingredients, which makes me very happy and makes my wallet very unhappy.
And it almost has chocolate.
And it has chocolate in it, Joe says. So this whole box, there's 12. I got it on Amazon. There's 12 of the packages of 2 each. Okay, hold on, please. There's 2 in here. There's 2 of the bigger cups in here. So 12 of those packages in here. I believe it was 21 or 22 bucks, which is not horrible if you think about it. It's about $2, almost $2 a package. What are you eating? You're being a stink. You're being a stink. Ah, bucket fell. Bucket down, Angel. Help us out. Give us some aid. Okay. Calm your body. Okay, relax yourself. Okay. Here's another. I'm gonna do this one next, okay? Can I have this? Thank you so much. Thank you. So, thank you, honey. So that might fall again. So Starburst. Not happy about those dyes either. And these are actually pretty hard. So much of the candy I feel like is so hard. And we found to replace the Starburst. These are 2 different kinds. This is the Lovely Organic. They have several other types of candy. The Tori and Howard, I've seen these at like truck stops. And I think they also have gummies. But they are similar. These are hard as well. Not awesome, but they look exactly like the Starburst. Well, same shape, same idea. And these are the Lovely. And they come in, I think, a couple different types, different colors, because they are lovely. Angel. Can you get me, Angel, can you get me a Twizzler so I can show? Thank you so much. You're so wonderful. Okay, so some other things that I got them. Actually, I'm going to need, would you get me one of these Black Forest gummies out of here? Give me the 2 gummies, the Welch's and the Black Forest. So this is the Twizzlers. These are just regular Twizzlers, and they also come like in the 1, and it's pretty long. And this is the one that we found to be yummy. We tried 2 different kinds. This is Yum Earth. They have several different types of candy. They have a candy corn. I did not find it except for in major bulk, and I don't want to spend $40 or $50 on just one candy. So these are gluten-free as well, organic. Obviously going to be dye-free. Allergen-free, safe for the classroom, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan. We talked about those, thanks. So this is the Yum Earth. And now we have the replacement gummies. So there's the Haribo, I think they have. Might be pronouncing that wrong. Halloween gummy. And now this, I just realized, has dye. I thought Welch's didn't. Red 40 and blue 1. But they also have turmeric for color. That's weird. Okay. So we get these. These are Little Monsters, Black Forest, They have all different types of gummies, like in regular size packages, but these little packages are great because they are dye-free, made with real juice. There's a bat here, there's a ghost here, there's a wolf. Lemon is a skull, and strawberry is, I think, a wolf. Okay. So these are the replacement for this having a little bit of dye in it. You want to take those, love?
It's a vampire.
So I pulled out another few candies that I was a little bit disappointed to see. These are caramel. Caramel's like the worst for their teeth. Incredibly hard stuff. Tootsie Rolls are pretty hard. The girls get these every once in a while, but they're very hard. So we make sure to floss. We do floss twice a day and brush their teeth twice a day. We just make sure that we're not skipping out on it. So this is Twix, another one with caramel. This is Heath. It's like toffee. Oh, so bad for their teeth. And then this one, Jolly Rancher, just very hard. Kids are not sucking these things. They're not sucking suckers. A lot of times they're biting on them. And then this one was like really bizarre to see. A lemon head. Maybe the teenagers. Maybe we should separate like the teenager candy and the little kid candy. Because this could be good for teenagers because teenagers are not going to swallow it unless it's a TikTok challenge. Okay. Or I mean chew it. Get it all in their teeth. Here, can you take the wrapper? Thanks. Oh, would you turn my alarm off? You're so helpful. Thank you so much. You're so great. Okay. Did we do it all? Did we do it? Oh, no. We didn't talk about the extra stuff that I got. So, we found these, the veggie chips. Usually you see veggie straws. These were ghosts and bats, and we thought that was fantastic. So, they've been eating these, like taking them to co-op and stuff like that. Ghost Peeps. I know around like Easter, they have like the white Peeps. Those would be the only ones I would buy because they are dye-free. The other ones have dye. And Peeps only have just like a couple of ingredients. Sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, less than 0.5% of potassium sorbate, natural flavors, and carrauba wax. Not my favorite ingredients, but it's less and it's better than this. Another one that's incredibly hard is the Dots, the Whoppers, these very, very hard stuff. So all this stuff is going to our troops. It's not an incredible amount because the girls only trick-or-treated down one street, and it was maybe 4 or 5 blocks, and that's all we needed. We went to Dundee. I made a video of it. Should be below this one. Of these beautiful historic houses, and most people decorate with like lights and all their jack-o'-lanterns and just amazing decorations. And a lot of people stand out there. They'll put a table, you know, people want a social distance or whatever, and they're really friendly and personable. And a lot of people have bonfires. It's just such a homey, like, great trick-or-treating experience. And all we need is like 4 or 5 blocks of candy because I buy candy. So that's our trick-or-treating experience. And that's our candy experience. And this is what... Why are we giving the military the garbage? Oh, that's a great question. Because I cannot afford to send them organic candy. I would love to. So... this is the natural stuff, and this is the stuff that we are going to be donating.